Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change audio mix on Little Nightmares 3. Let's begin! First of all, we want to navigate into our settings. Then, let's go into Audio tab, and right here at the top we have Audio Mix. And in here we have a couple of different audio presets. By default, I think we have TV speakers on, but you can always change them into headphones, if you're playing on headphones, into surround, if you're using surround speakers or surround headphones, and finally nighttime mode. Of course, you probably are interested in headphones or surround, because these options will give you the best audio quality. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.